In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to create your own WhatsApp link. And this is a link you can put on other platforms like on your website or on TikTok. And when people click on that link, they can send you WhatsApp messages. So to do this, just exit out of WhatsApp and then go to a notes editor. Any notes editor will work. Anywhere you can type really. So you can go to the notes app if you have an iPhone or any other application really. So I'll just find the notes app on my iPhone, and here we want to create your own personal WhatsApp link. So type HTTPS like that, and then put a full colon, and then the double forward slash, and then type WA period me like that, and then 1 forward slash like that, and then now backslash, okay, like that. And then now you want to enter your own personal phone number. So this is a phone number that the WhatsApp messages will be going to, because all WhatsApp accounts are tied to phone numbers. So enter the phone number with the country code minus the plus symbol. So for instance, a normal phone number looks like this. Okay, this is the number for our office. So you want to put the whole number, including the country code. Just get rid of the plus symbol at the beginning. Okay, so for that number, I'm going to put this like that, like that, like that. So this link, whenever it's clicked on, it's going to lead people to my WhatsApp account and they can send me messages. All right, so this is a complete link, and if I press enter and tap on done in the top right corner, you can now see it's a link. And let me try and click on this link. So if I click on the link, you can see it opens WhatsApp and automatically starts a chat with that particular number. So you can see the WebPro Office number, and that is basically how you can create your own personal WhatsApp link. All right, so you can copy that link and share it on TikTok or on your website or wherever it is you want to share it, even on Instagram. All right, thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like and possibly also subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.